See example, value of tangent 175 degree, 1575 degree. First of all, we divide it by 180, we will get a remainder 135, which is more than 90 degree. So in this case, we increase the value here by 1. In place of 8, we divide it by 9. When we divide it by 9, we get the remainder, that is equals to minus 45. So this 1575 can be written as tangent of 9 pi minus 45. So 9 pi, if you count from here, it is 0, it is pi, it is 2 pi, it is 3 pi, it is 4 pi, it is 5 pi. So 0, 2, 4 lies on this side, 1, 3 and 5 lies on this side. It means odd numbers are there. So 9 pi. 9 pi minus theta means moving backward in second quadrant. Second is the house of sine and cos. So this tangent will make a negative symbol. It is equals to minus 1. Or if you solve this question in this way, 8 pi plus 135, 8 pi lies in this region, plus 135 means you are in first quadrant, and in first quadrant it is positive, so we write down 135, but we don't know about the 135, so we calculate the value of cos 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45, tangent 45, and tangent 180 minus theta second quadrant, it is negative, so answer is minus 1. See one more, it is cosec minus 1410. In case of minus, first we remove the negative according to the property cosec. If negative is there, it come outside. Only in case of sec and cos, it will not come outside. Now 1410 again divide by 180, slightly greater at 8. If we divide it 7, it is 150. Remainder is greater than 90. So we divide it by 8 and we get a remainder minus 30. So this can be written as 8 pi minus 30. 8 pi lies on this side, right side of the origin, minus 30 means fourth quadrant. Fourth is the house of cos, so cosec give its result negative. So negative, negative, positive. It is 2. Similarly, if you want to solve this question, same means any question by the help of 90 degree, you can also solve 90, 141, 90 is divided it. We will divide it at 15 and the remainder is 60. Now it is 90, 15 into pi by 2 plus 60. In case of pi by 2, this cosec change into sec. It is sec 60. It is lies 15, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2, 13 pi by 2, 15 pi by 2, and 15 pi by 2 plus theta means fourth quadrant, and fourth is the house of cos and sec. So his answer is negative because it is cosec. So negative, negative, cosec, and value of sec is